This is Amjad. In this session, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic from the 10th class first chapter, that is nothing but real numbers. In that exercise 1.4, the problems are given. Prove that some numbers are given numbers 1 by root 2. For example, 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. Prove that 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. Listen, here given first problem like this. Prove that 1 by root 2 is irrational. 1 by root 2 is irrational. For this, we do like this. First we took a let 1 by root 2 is rational number. 1 by root 2 is rational number. Okay. Now, what is the rational number form, Nana? 1 by root 2 is equal to a by b. Rational number a by b. Here, b not equal to 0 and a comma b are co-primes. B not equal to 0 and a comma b are co-primes. Co-primes in the sense not having the same factors. Okay. Here, by cross multiplication, we can write that b into 1, b is equal to root 2a. b is equal to root 2a. Squaring on both sides, then you will get b square is equal to 2a square. b square is equal to 2a square. Here, b square is divisible by 2. 2 divides b square. Okay, na? Why? Because we got b square is equal to multiple. Okay, nothing but b square is divisible by 2. So you can write here 2 divides b square. We have one theorem, Nana. If p divides a square, here p is prime number. P is prime number. If p is a prime number and if p divides a square, then p divides a also. If p is a prime number and if p divides a square, then p divides a also. Here same, 2 is a prime number. Okay. If 2 divides b square, okay, here b is divisible by 2. That means 2 divides b square. 2 divides b square, then 2 divides b also. B also. Say equation number 1. 2 divides b square, then 2 divides b also. Okay, say equation number 1. Now, 2 divides b, nothing but b is a 2 multiple. Am I right? b is divisible by 2. Nothing but b could be 2 multiple, either 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay, then only it's divisible by 2. So take b is equal to some 2 into integer. C is a positive integer. Okay, now b is equal to c. Substitute in this. b square is equal to a square. b square is equal to a square. What is b, Nana? 2c. 2c square equal to 2a square. Here 4c square is equal to a square. 2c square is equal to a square. 2 coming this side, it become by 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. 2c square is equal to a square. Here 2 divides a square. 2 divides a square. 2 divides a square. Okay. If 2 divides a square, 2 divides a also. Okay. Say equation number 2. From equations 1 and 2, what is 1 ray? What is 1? 2 divides b. What is 2? 2 divides a. Here from equations 1 and 2, 2 divides a and B. 2 divides A and B. But A and B are the co-primes. A and B are the co-primes. Nothing but not having the factors, same factors. Okay, but here 2 divides A and B. It contradicts. It contradicts. What we assumption, that's the absurd. That's the absolute wrong. So listen, we got 2 divides A and B, but A comma B are co-primes. A comma B are co-primes. So our assumption is wrong. Assumption is wrong. It's absurd. Assumption is wrong. What is that? 1 by root 2 is a rational number. That's the wrong. Then what is correct? 1 by root 2 is not a rational number. It's a irrational number. Therefore, we can say that 1 by root 2 is irrational. Did you get that? No. Listen. Prove that 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. Okay. Let 1 by root 2 is a rational number. Okay. And 1 by root 2 is a rational number is formed A by B and B not equal to 0. A comma B are the co-primes. Squaring on both sides. Here B is equal to root 2A. Squaring on both sides. B square equal to A square. Here 2 divides B square. Then 2 divides B also. Say equation number 1. 2 divides B means B is a 2 multiple. So B is equal to 2C by 2. B square is equal to 2C square equal to 2A square. 4C square equal to 2A square. 2C square equal to A square. Here 2 divides A square also. If 2 divides A square, 2 divides A. Equation 2. From both equations, 2 divides A and B. 2 is a common factor for A and B. Okay, but it's contradict to the A comma B are co-primes. Okay, so our assumption wrong. What is that? 1 by root 2 is a rational number. That's the wrong. Then what is the correct? 1 by root 2 is not a rational number. It's a irrational number. Is that clear? Next problem. Second one. Root 3 plus root 5, before that 6 plus root 2. 6 plus root 2. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. Here also say, let 6 plus root 2 is rational. Take like this. 6 plus root 2 is rational. If 6 plus root 2 is a rational, then it is in the form of A by B and B not equal to 0 and A comma B are co-primes. Okay. If it is a rational number, it is in the form of A by B and B not equal to 0. Now listen, keep root value this side, root 2. A by B is equal, 6 coming this side, it becomes by minus 6. A by B minus 6. It can be 6 by 1. What is LCM here? B. So, A minus B into 6 is 6B. We got root 2 is equal to A minus 6B by B. It is P by Q form. A by B form. And where B not equal to 0. Nothing but this form is real number. Sorry. This is rational number. So, we got root 2 is equal rational. Root 2 equal to rational. But we know that what is root 2? Root 2 is irrational. But we know that root 2 is irrational. We got root 2 is rational, but we know that root 2 is irrational. These two are contradict to each other. Root 2 is rational, root 2 is irrational. Both are contradict. Okay. It's contradict. That means That means what we assumption, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. What is that? 6 plus root 2 is rational. This is the wrong. Okay, then 6 plus root 2 is rational is wrong. Then what is correct, Nana? Therefore 6 plus root 2 is irrational. 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Okay, listen again. Given that, prove that 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number. Okay, and we took 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. 6 plus root 2 is equal to rational number form is a by b and b not equal to 0. 6 plus root 2 is a by b. Okay, root 2 is equal to a by b minus 6. Nothing but root 2 is equal to a minus 6b by b. It is in the form of a by b and b not equal to 0. Nothing but rational number. We got root 2 is a rational number, but root 2 is a irrational number. We know that root 2 is a irrational number. Okay, these two statements are contradict to each other. Root is a rational, root 2 is a irrational. These two are contradict to each other. Okay, by that we can say that our assumption is wrong. What we assumed, root 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. That's a wrong. Then what is correct? 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Okay friends, thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.